So let's get ready. So you have to raise the background. Does it not that? सर्च किया हुआ तो इसलिए रिमूव बीजी आ गया है पहले और you have to click that. As you see, remove background. इस तरह background remove कर सकते हैं बगैर कोई चार्ज किए या बगैर कुछ free, just like free. Okay, you have to click here to upload your image, or you can drag your image here, and I will select the file from. Okay, I have the image. Okay, this is the because it's image, and the background is not as much as you can easily do. Just I can download it. This is the download file. You can see it. Let me. बिल्कुल किनारों से प्रॉपर तरीके से ये इसकी बैकग्राउंड रिमूव हो चुका है. And you can also add the design by clicking the add the design, make it design, or you can also click there to edit it. I don't know whether it is too much time. I can add her picture wise background like this, or which one is suited for her picture. It takes some time, but it will do the work as gorgeous. And you can also add blurring. As you can see, there is a blur. And there is also the erase button that you can set the brush size and erase whatever you want. If I don't want her face, so I was just going to give you a view. If I don't want her face, then I erase her face. Now I have her body. Let's undo it. If I don't want a full body, then I'll just erase the part of that, and you can download that. Okay, you can download it, and you have the background image. आप तो एडोब से भी रिमूव कर सकते हैं, कोई भी ऐसी मुश्किल बात नहीं, फोटोशॉप से भी रिमूव कर सकते हैं, बट दिस इज द easiest way you can do it. अगर आपको बहुत करने का काम है तो वो प्रोफेशनल किस्म की एडिट करना, तो फिर आप एडोब पर जाएं. मैं आपको वही मशवरा दूँगी, फोटोशॉप पर जो आपको ईजी लगता है वो तो ऐसे हम फोटोशॉप में करते हैं. और अगर आपको कोई मतलब इतना कोई है नहीं, तो यू जस्ट हैव टू एडिट योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर और